Hey guys, wanna know how to enable training mode or enter training mode in Steampunk Frontier in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you're there, on the left side you can see this map-like icon. Just simply click on it. Now, there is no specific training mode for Steampunk Frontier, but you can access Steampunk Frontier through the normal training grounds. So what you need to do is on the top right here you can see Cheer Park, and right beside Cheer Park you can see something known as Training Grounds. So simply click on it, and once you're there, if you haven't downloaded Training Grounds, so simply select OK and download it. And once that is done, you will automatically be directed to the Training Grounds. And once you're there, you can see various amounts of weapons, including the ODM gears and maybe serums as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.